Dah kajing temu bajing pen itnat ban pen kala ya kasor Shillong kabala long menta ka them ki lanot Jaka smart city Myntri Rangbah konrat ke sangma rengkat ki officer Rangbah na PWD urban affairs forest kila Swait ya ki Jaka hak Kylleng ki dong kani kanong ba ki ba kentup ya ka barik Phanong light park Anjali point shadow ki thain polo Konrad sangma ulayat hu bayaki kam ban pen internet ya ka Shillong en sedang hau nailur September mentau snem. Endala dap ki kam baro ki pat ba kin yoma ya ka jing keluit ki lenti sengkin ka jing phalang ki rong ki rup bat en pen phu pen pheng ya ki Jaka pat ba ban pen palei ya ki khmat bat ki jing mut jing perkhat jong ki pat ba ulaong.
We can have a space allotted to them where we can do that. Not necessarily the building. Yeah. Somewhere here, many buildings also. So one of the buildings, yeah. This one should be inspired into that museum with and in fact, the stuff that we're getting from the DC office, the archives. Yeah. Those archives you can put some of them here. World War I, news, this is such information. Page, what you control the page, but netting. They used to control the engineering operation. Same area, that side only. So it's there. Yes, no problem. Where we are making the new offices. Yes. We just entered from here. Here is where we have created a public plaza. Here. Some cultural, sorry? Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just feel bad to dismantle our old buildings, you know, I just feel very wrong. Trees and old buildings, I just feel like affecting too much. They can minimize their impact. Yeah, I remember. Kungaro Hills only. So he used to stay here. So he used to come as small children. I was like, what, 11 years old. So I've been in this bungalow from that time. I mean, not lived, but seen it. So I feel it. And then said, well, it's a nice restaurant, some cultural aspect, some part can be. So whoever runs this place, a private sector only, will lease it out to private sector or whatever, give a management contract. I'll speak to the PC. I am looking. We'll show the design first. Badminton courtyard is there earlier, so that part we are planning to. Oh yeah. So which part is so wherever the children's park is here, like no, this is here. This one is there. That's where you get Yeah, we're going to build up anything, just provide space for that for the first time, in fact, in the history of the state, some major interventions in regards to the utility of the land that is owned by the government and the different departments of the government is being done in Shillong city. Close to about 25 acres of land belonging to government is going to be rationalized, and we will try to utilize maximum the entire land utility with the objective of decreasing the congestion in the city, creating more walking space and creating overall more beautification for Shillong city. So behind me, as you can see, that we have the Barrack point, and this is a PWD land area. There is a plan to completely utilize this to create an open space for the public, create a parking space on the side, and have small buildings which will be more like museums and promote the culture of us, of our state and the history of our state. At the same time, have small eating joints and small place where tourists can come in and really get an experience of Shillong city. At the same time, right here, we also intend to have a very high national flag hoisted here, which will be, as I said, at the heart of the city, which will again be a very strong icon in the city in the center of the city, which again will send a very strong message. So that is what the plan is for the Barrack point out here, and we expect that by July end or by August we should be able to shift the offices from here and start the work maybe sometime in the month of September, and quickly be able to convert this into a nice open space, a green space, and a space where tourists can really enjoy the city. And the entire process of redoing this particular park has already been planned. Part of the plan is to extend some space for the civil hospital, which you can see behind me. So we will be extending space and giving some space from here for the civil hospital, so that more beds can come here and more facilities can be brought out. At the same time, we are in the process of shifting the animals from the park to the permanent location, which is the zoo, which is almost complete, and in the month of June we should be able to shift most of the animals to the zoo, to the enclosure that has been built out there. And once all of this is done, then we will start a proper reconstruction and renovation of the entire park, which will include a large number of facilities that will come up. At the same time, there will be some section behind where we are also planning to use for a parking lot, so that there could be some decongestion in the city, and that process also will start very soon. So we have come here today with the entire team to study this and to look at the plans, and we hope that this will be one step towards ensuring that we are able to decrease the overall congestion in the city of Shillong.